picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
This is a one-piece floral leaves banner. This is so cute right here. So they have this one in only green, and then they have this one. It's 6 feet long. Yeah, it's a garland as well. Spring fling garland. Yeah. 2 bowls right here. I have it in this blue green, purple, peach, yellow, and dark pink. Pretty colors. This tablecloth, get one. That's really pretty. We have this one here. Silver plastic cutleries. You get 12 pieces. And they are adorable. Yeah. Cute little signs. This one says grow with love. Hello spring. And the purple one says welcome. Okay. Let's see. They have a white one here. This one says welcome spring. Yeah, those are cute. These are here. And you got 10 cans and all those beautiful colors. Cute little boxes here. Oh, look at that one with the bite. That's really cute. And they have this one. It says spring. And the truck. And all the cute little napkins down here with the truck. And the plates, you get how many? You get 12 plates. And you get 14 napkins. The napkins matches the tablecloths. And here's the other one that matches the tablecloth. Oh yeah, cute, cute. And they have these cute little plates here. You get 6. These are plastic and all the same pretty colors. They got the Dino Buddies over here, guys. Yummy Dino Buddies. $5. Oh my goodness. The Tyson Nuggets. They're 5 as well. Oh yes. The Mega Bowls. This one has chicken fried beef steak bowl. And then that one is the buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. Yes, and they have the bacon and sausage egg bowls, and these are $3. This end cap, guys, have some of the cutest little wooden pieces for your crafting ideas. So we have this one, that shape, and we have the cut wood in different shapes. And we have the beads. And we have the wood frame with the tin board. This little piece here. All of these pieces. These are really nice. And farm life here. Here, the plastic scoop, the plastic cups, the plastic bowls, and the plastic trays right here. Yes. We have larger platters here. Then they have the bowls down here. These stickers are so cute here, guys. Look at these, the gold leaves. They also have them in silver. Then you have this unicorn with the foam stickers here. Really nice. Look at the butterflies. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness, look at these. They're so pretty. We have the pig. We have the 8-piece right here. Pop up. That's cute. We have these. This one is for like the baby. I guess like for a baby shower or something. Nice. Ooh, look at those flowers. Those are cute. And of course, this one, it fell. Okay, it's a pop-up too. These wood pins, you get 10 of these. And you have them in different sizes. And look at these clothespins, guys. These are so tiny. You get 45 of these. The wood craft cubes, 36 of these. And you have the mushrooms, the wood ornaments, the chalkboard tag clothespins. Nice. And all of these beautiful pieces over here. These beads, I love the beads here. It's cute. Oh, guys, look at this yarn here. Huh. It is the eyelash material. Okay, so they have it in this red, gray, blue, green. Oh my goodness. I don't recall seeing this type here. Huh, that's different. Eyelash. Eyelash material. Nice. If y'all have not seen my Easter/spring video here at the Dollar Tree, it has all of this in it right here. As a matter of fact, I think I have like 2 videos up. So yeah, if you want to see that one, it's on the channel. Oh, now these are cute, guys. Oh yes, really cute. I don't recall seeing these. Yeah, these right here, these are really cute. Huh. This is cute. I think we've seen this one on the end cap, but this one says family is forever. Okay. Okay, these storage containers are new here, guys. They're the clear color. This is the pink one. This is the top, and here is the bottom right there. So yeah, they have the pink, green, and black. Okay, so we found something new over here. Oh yes.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe.